30 top 30 MCQ. Question number 1. Who was the first woman chief minister of an Indian state? Correct answer option B. Sucheta Kripalani. Sucheta Kripalani was a Bengali Indian freedom fighter and politician. She served as the chief minister of Uttar Pradesh from 1963 to 1967. Question number 2. Who was the first woman governor of a state in independence India? Correct answer option A. Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu is the first governor of Uttar Pradesh from 1947 to 1949. Sarojini Naidu is known as the Nightingale of India. Question number 3. Who acts as the President of India when neither the President nor the Vice President is available? Correct answer option B. Chief Justice of India. Question number 4. Who was the first Chief Justice of India? Correct answer option A. Harilal J. Kanaiya. Question number 5. When a state government dies or resigns, who normally exercise his function till a governor is appointed? Correct answer option A. Chief Justice of High Court. Question number 6. What is the minimum age to be the Chief Minister of a state? Correct answer option B. 25 years. Question number 7. Who appointed the Chief Minister of a state? Correct answer option C. Governor. Question number 8. The minimum age limit to become a governor is? Correct answer option B. 35 years. Question number 9. The governor of a state is appointed by the? Correct answer option C. President of India. Question number 10. Who is the head of the judiciary in the state? Correct answer option C. High Court. Question number 11. Judge of the High Court are appointed by the? Correct answer option B. President of India. Question number 12. How many types of the emergency have been mentioned in the Constitution of India? Correct answer option D. 3. Question number 13. The national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India in? Correct answer option B. 1947. Question number 14. When and where was the first EVM electronic voting machine used in India? Correct answer option B. 1952 and place Kerala. Question number 15. Who is the first female speaker of the Lok Sabha? Correct answer option B. Meera Kumar. Meera Kumar served as the first female speaker of the Lok Sabha from 2009 to 2014. Question number 16. Who was the first speaker of the Lok Sabha? Correct answer option C. G.V. Mavalankar. Question number 17. The speaker can ask a member of the house to stop speaking and let another member speak. This is known as? Yielding the floor. Question number 8. Which one is the oldest high court of India? Correct answer option A. Kolkata High Court. Question number 19. Which is the second most spoken language in India after the Hindi? Correct answer option A. Bengali. Question number 20. Which of the following article prohibited the employment of the children in factory and hazardous industries? Correct answer option B. Article 24. Question number 21. Free and compulsory education all children from 6 to 14 years by which amendment? Correct answer option D, 86th Amendment. Question number 22. What is the minimum stay before a person can apply for citizenship? Correct answer option B, 7 years. Question number 23. The idea of the Constitution of India was first given by. Correct answer option C, Aman Roy. Question number 24. What is known as the Little India? Correct answer option C, village. Question number 25. The state of Mysore was renamed as Karnataka in the year. Correct answer option A, 1973. Question number 26. In the national flag, saffron color represent. Correct answer option B, courage and sacrifice. Question number 27. Hindi was declared as the official language of India under Article. Correct answer option B, Article 343. Question 28. When did Constituent Assembly adopted a national flag? Correct answer option A, 22 July 1947. Question number 29. When did the Constituent Assembly adopt Jana Gana Mana and national anthem as a national anthem? Correct answer option B, 24 January 1950. Question number 30. In the national flag, green color represent. Correct answer option C, faith, fertility and chivalry, यानी कि साहस.